Pagdating sa Liga ng mga Bida, non-stop ang passion at aksyon. Silipin natin ngayon ang PBA Top 5 Plays. Ikalima.
Oh, Tenorio crossover, teardrop, his turn to break ankles and break heart. Tingnan mo si LA Tenorio, handa ka na ba sumayaw? RR Garcia, and he breaks ankles and breaks hearts with that cool play.
Ika-apat.
Azul, nice look inside. Kinasapa ni Edwards.
That pass was so perfect. Kinasapa niya para talagang magkaroon ng power yung kanyang gut.
Ikatlo.
Wow! Yes, sir! As if we needed more excitement, why not?
Ikalawa.
Agaw na naman ang nangyari. Jefferson Storm passing it. Iniwan for Japet. And there you go! Back-to-back slam dunks for Japet. But that was an exclamation point to a great run by Barangay Ginebra.
At ang nanguna.
Tenorio, 5 seconds. Tenorio has to move. LA puts it up. And in!
Eto, kanina pa natin nasabi, where do you want the ball? In the hands of your smartest player. Who's that? Mr. LA Teniente Tenorio.
Inyong natunghayan ang malulupit na galawan ng ating mga bida sa PBA. Ito ang PBA Top 5 Plays.